Managing rental properties for others? You can give owners the transparency they always wanted with an owner portal that shows them a high-level overview of all their properties. Keep owners in the loop with the profit and loss reports, applicants, an overview of distributions and contributions for each property, and of course, reports with built-in filters.
DoorLoop gave me the ability to put all my transaction worksheets and leases on one system, available for not only the tenant to see, but also for my owners to be updated with everything going on.
Save your time. Owners can see maintenance requests, leases with outstanding balances, and important documentation such as accounting reports, owner statements, and rent roll. With DoorLoop's user-friendly communication tools, build trust, stay ahead, and truly wow your owners. If you ever get stuck, DoorLoop Help Center and support are more than happy to help. Manage your owner portal anytime, anywhere. Save time, make more money, and grow your rental portfolio with DoorLoop.